So to overtake safely on a dual carriageway, you catch up with traffic, check your mirrors, look up the road, make sure there's nothing in your blind spot next to you, and then make sure you've got the power to overtake. Once you're out there, don't leave your right signal on. Keep an eye on the traffic on the left, especially that white one, he might try overtaking. And I wouldn't sit behind something like that because pallets do come loose. And then ones at the back, don't look as though they're secured down. And then once you get past them, make sure you see them in the centre mirror before you come back in and signal to come back in. So yeah, quite important. Overtake when you need to. Don't sit behind trucks that have got high stuff on that could be bouncing around and coming loose. As we passed that pallet truck then, the back ones didn't look secure at all. Take care everybody and safe driving. It's quick videos on overtaking.